What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today I will show you two interesting altcoins that I'm currently watching and on which I'm planning to entering a trading position, of course if the certain conditions are met. So if you are interested about these two altcoins, definitely watch this video to the end. But first of all, I want to tell you, if you like my analysis and you like my videos, I will be really happy if you hit that subscribe and the like button, and also if you write some comments, because it will help the algorithm to reach out my channel to more people. So if you do that, I will be really happy. And for example, you can type in the comments what's your favorite altcoin and I can look on it in the next video. But before that, I would like to invite you to my Discord trading group where I am sharing everyday crypto analysis on Bitcoin and other altcoins that I'm currently watching. So if you want to trade with me and be part of my trading community, you can join this group, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. So the first coin that I will show you today is a coin with the ticker MKR. Right now, we broke this resistance of this triangle on the 4-hour chart, and if there will be a support confirmation, which currently looks like that it will be, then I think that there is like high probability that we will go test this bearish order block. Does it mean that you need to enter a long position in this area? Definitely not, and that's because there is, I think, no good risk reward ratio, because even if you, for example, enter a long position on the lower levels, you still need to put your stop loss at least below this previous low, and in that case there will be like, let's say, risk reward ratio approximately 1.05, because you need to take the profits before we hit this bearish order block. So currently I am waiting for a breakout of this bearish order block and then for a support confirmation, and if this will happen, then I think that there can be a really good opportunity to enter a long position, because you can see that historically we have here almost zero liquidity. So if there will be a support confirmation, then I think that the stop loss you can put below this bearish order block, and your take profit targets you can, for example, put on the level 1060, 1080, 2000. And I think that there can be like a really high opportunity that the price can skyrocket up. But before that, we of course need to wait here for a breakout and then for a support confirmation, or for a breakout of this previous high, which is currently level 1371. If we switch here to a daily chart, you can see that the first important resistance is here between levels 2500 and 2300. So again, I'm repeating, there can be a really interesting risk reward ratio, because if you, for example, wait for a break of this week high, it's still a movement which can have let's say something around 60 to 80% net profit, which I think is absolutely amazing. And again, I'm repeating, we don't have here historically that much liquidity. So for that price, it shouldn't be that big of a deal to do a quick spike up. So the exact long trade can look, for example, like this. As I said, you need to wait for a breakout and then for a support confirmation here. And then if this will happen, then you can enter a long position with a stop loss below this bearish order block. First, take profit target, I would probably take below this week high, because as you can see, this is like the first and last important resistance, and if the price like should turn around somewhere, it will be probably here. So you can take some of the profits here and move your stop loss with it, or move your stop loss to break even, or you can wait for here for a breakout and then for a support confirmation. That's like completely up to you. And your last take profit target, this can be, for example, around level 2000, because there can be like a move for a profit around 55% net profit. So this, I think, is really good. And again, you can take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you can take here, here, and then here. That's like completely up to you. And the second coin that I will show you today is a coin with a ticker UNFI. You can see that on the 4-hour chart, we are currently testing this really important bearish order block, which is between levels 8.72 and 7.80. And as you can see, this is like really big bearish order block. And this was like the main resistance for the past couple of months. So yeah, we need to pay a really big attention to this level. But if there will be a breakout and then support confirmation, then I think that there can be a really good opportunity to enter a long position. And if there will be a resistance confirmation, then you can enter a short position. So right now I will explain you both of these scenarios. Let's start with the long scenario. If there will be a breakout and then support confirmation, as I said, you can enter a long position and you can put your stop loss below this bearish order block. And so the take profit target I would put below this next bearish order block, which is currently between 13.09 and 12.78. And in this case, there can be room for a trade with risk reward ratio approximately 4, which I think is really good, and it also gives you space to take multiple take profit targets. On the other hand, the exact short trade can look, for example, like this. If there will be a resistance confirmation, then you can put your stop loss above this bearish order block, because if there will be a breakout, then support confirmation, then is valid our long scenario. So do not, for example, put your stop loss, for example, somewhere around here, because you will probably lose more than like you have to lose in this trade, and also there will be much worse risk reward ratio. Your last take profit target I would put above this bullish order block, which is between levels 3.07 and 2.95. But in this case, I think that there is like not that big probability that we will go test this bullish order block. So definitely take, for example, some of the profits here, move your stop loss to profit, and again take multiple take profit targets. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. If you have some favorite altcoin, definitely type its name in the comments and I will look on it in the next video. And if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to follow my analysis, definitely join my Discord trading group, because I am sharing the analysis here every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. But this will be all from me for today. Thank you again everybody for watching this video, and yeah, I will see you tomorrow in the next one. See ya.